Yeah, welcome to my channel. This is week 11 scenario of the database admin department of BYU Idaho. This is the first scenario which I'm gonna walk you through right away. So in this I choose PostgreSQL, and I follow I make sure that I make the cost of it cheaper by making sure that I make the right choice. So what I go about that is this: I'm creating a new machine, live and direct. So this is the instance ID, PGSQL Diego Garcia. I've created my password, and I'm using PostgreSQL 14 version 14. I choose development, and it's on a US Central Iowa. That's the region, and I'm using single zone. Then concerning the machine type, I decided to go with HDD. It's cost effective, and I make choice of 10 gigabytes. On the machine type, I use share code 1V QPU 1.7 GB. So when I need automatic backup, I choose between 11. Now let's make it in the night. That should be, so I choose between 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. while most people will be asleep. By that time the network will be lesser, to not be much heavy. So then I click create. So the instance is working on creating the instance. So it's working on creating the instance. As soon as it's true, I'm going to come back and walk you through the main part of the assignment. As it is now, I can't edit anything, I can't work on it while it's working, while it's trying to create, in the process of creating the instance. So I'll get back to you when it's done. So the instance has been created, as you can see here, created. So I can work on it now. So let's do some few configuration based on the the scenario for the week. So let me walk you through the next part of it, the main part of it. So summary of scenario 1, which I want to still recap, is this: that I want to recap this summary of scenario 1. So this is the instance, and this is the database version, PostgreSQL 14. So I use the region is US Central Iowa, Central 1 Iowa, single zone. Then the machine type I choose is share code. Then the storage I use is hard disk drive, 10 gig. That's the requirement for this assignment. So now I'll walk you through the firewall. So this is the firewall of this the firewall. Let's hold on, let it open. So my firewall policy, my firewall rule, sorry, this is my firewall rule. The reason I choose this port is that according to the documentation, the port is on, this is the ports for this particular project, 5432. So that's why I'm using that port. Then the lock is off, default, ingress, direction of the traffic is ingress, alarm, action, all instance in the network. So specific ports, which is TCP port 5432, then I create it. So it's creating the firewall role for this particular assignment. It has created it. So you can see successfully created. So now I'll get to scenario 3. The scenario 3 is about let me get that up. This. So now to the scenario 3. This is scenario 3. This scenario 3. It says I should now you need to, let me highlight that. So I need to link to since I'm using PG SQL, so I need to link to this. So I've downloaded that, which is this, and already I've linked to that. This evidence that I've linked to the PG SQL. This is my instance name. So after that, I then so after that I am asked to create a Boolean leak table script. So how I did that, let me show how I did that. I open the database. Already this is the Boolean leak table, but how I did that, when I open this, I go to the query tools, which opens this. So this was the query, it's fetching the query history. Let me zoom that out. So it's fetching the story in the history. So these are the query. This is the query for Boolean leak example, which was successful. Query return successful. That's the DCD, query return successful. So the next part of it is to create the next part. Say this is the next part of it. Say I should load Boolean leak data script. So to do that, I have to do that. This is how I'm gonna do that. This is the data script. I copy it, then back to here. I copy that, go to query, I paste it. So this is the value, this is the data on that. Let me run that too. Hold on. So the data is very huge. Okay, let me get it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna run that script. So it's working on it. So this is the data. Thank you for watching my presentation. Bye bye.